よく見てくださいよ。
which contains the main castle tower. The south half is a dry moat. The north half of the moat has water, which is where we are currently cruising. Reconstruction of Osaka Castle by the Tokugawa shogunate elevated the ground level of the old Toyotomi Inner Bailey and constructed this stone wall. 64 feudal lords were called upon by the order of the shogunate. The moat extends approximately 2.7 kilometers in length, and there is said to be over 1 million stones composing the wall. Long ago, 13 turrets towered over the edge of the stone wall facing the moat, but these all burned down in the closing days of the Tokugawa shogunate. Near the outer moat, however, 5 structures still remain today.
400年前ですからね、かなり風化してね、薄くなってるんです。
both of which are
お墓でも400年前のお墓やったらほとんど何書いてるのかわからないんでね。
再び右手に天守閣が見えてきます。天下を統一した豊臣秀吉により築かれた大阪城は豊臣政権の本拠地でしたが、1614年大阪冬の陣、そして翌年の夏の陣で落城しました。徳川家康は新たに城を築きますが、天守閣は1665年に焼失。目の前の天守閣は3代目市民の寄付で作られました。
On your right, you can see the main castle tower again. Constructed under Toyotomi Hideyoshi, the man who unified Japan after the Warring States period, Osaka Castle was a stronghold of the Toyotomi government. However, in 1614, Tokugawa Ieyasu laid siege to Osaka Castle, and after the winter and summer wars of 1614 and 1615, the castle finally fell. Tokugawa ordered a new castle be built, but in 1665, the new main castle tower burned down. The main castle tower that you see today is the third tower. It was reconstructed using donations from the people of Osaka.
烧毁，后来就是大家捐钱重盖，这个就看到是重盖。
御座船はまもなく船着き場に到着いたします。なお、船が完全に止まり、スタッフがご案内するまでどうぞそのままでお待ちくださいませ。お忘れ物がないよう今一度お確かめくださいませ。本日は大阪城御座船にご乗船いただき誠にありがとうございました。400年前にタイムスリップして天下人の気分に浸ることができましたでしょうか。この後も大阪城、そして大阪の街をお楽しみくださいませ。
We will soon be landing at the Gozabune boat dock. Please remain in your seat until the staff direct you to exit after the boat comes to a complete stop. Please make sure to take all of your belongings with you. Thank you very much for taking the Osaka Castle Gozabune today. We hope you enjoyed traveling 400 years back in time to feel like a ruler. Please enjoy your time visiting Osaka Castle and the city of Osaka.
皆様、本日は大阪城御座船にご乗船いただきありがとう